Ever wondered if there's a connection between what you eat and the health of your skin, specifically in relation to acne? Welcome to nutrition.com. Please subscribe the channel for health and nutrition related information. Now let's delve into relationship between diet and acne. For years, the scientific community believed there was no link between diet and acne. Acne was thought to be an inevitable part of adolescence, a cruel trick of puberty that we all had to endure. But, alas, the winds of knowledge are ever changing. Recent research suggests that our previous belief was mistaken. It appears that certain foods might, in fact, influence acne. Not all foods are created equal in the eyes of our skin. Some may be the clandestine culprits behind those unsightly spots, while others could be the unsung heroes, fighting to keep our skin clear and radiant. Imagine a war being waged right beneath the surface of our skin. On one side, you have the acne-causing invaders, bolstered by certain foods we consume. On the other side, you have our skin's natural defenses, also influenced by our dietary choices. The battlefield may be microscopic, but the impact on our self-esteem and confidence can be colossal. So, it's crucial to understand which side our meals are supporting. Our diet is not the only factor that affects acne, of course. Genetics, hormones, and stress also play significant roles. But food is one variable we can control, one weapon we can wield in the battle against blemishes. So, it seems that what we eat can indeed influence the health of our skin. But which foods should we embrace, and which should we avoid? First, let's delve into the foods that might exacerbate acne. When it comes to clear skin, not all foods are created equal. Some, in fact, can cause or worsen acne. So, let's take a look at some of the main culprits. Number 1 on our list is refined sugars. These are found in many processed foods and drinks such as soda, candy, and baked goods. The problem with refined sugars is that they cause your insulin levels to spike, which can lead to inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation can cause your skin's oil glands to go into overdrive, and this excess oil can clog your pores, leading to acne. Next up, we have dairy products. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to cut out all dairy, but some studies suggest that certain dairy products, especially skim milk, might be linked to acne. The theory is that hormones and growth factors in milk could play a role in excessive oil production and inflammation, which can lead to breakouts. Fast food is another offender. Foods that are high in unhealthy fats and calories, like burgers, fries, and pizza, can increase inflammation in the body. This inflammation can aggravate existing acne and even trigger new breakouts. Additionally, fast food is often high in refined carbohydrates, which, like refined sugars, can cause a spike in insulin levels and contribute to acne. Other foods to consider include processed meats, white bread, and certain types of oil like coconut oil, which is comedogenic, meaning it can clog pores. These foods might not directly cause acne, but they can certainly exacerbate it. It's important to remember that everyone's skin reacts differently to different foods. What might trigger a breakout in one person might not in another. So, it's all about finding out what works best for you. So, while these foods might be tempting, they could be contributing to your skin woes. The key is balance and moderation. Listen to your body, observe how it reacts to certain foods, and make dietary decisions accordingly. Your skin will thank you. Now that we know what to avoid, what foods should we be reaching for to help combat acne? The first group of foods to highlight are fruits and vegetables. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that aid in skin health. Vitamin C, for instance, found in citrus fruits and strawberries, helps to promote collagen production and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin E, which are essential for skin repair and maintenance. Next, let's talk about whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread are rich in complex carbohydrates. These foods are slowly digested and released into the bloodstream, preventing the rapid insulin spikes that can lead to acne. Plus, they're full of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to keep your skin glowing. Lean proteins are another key player. Foods like fish, turkey, chicken, and tofu contain essential amino acids that help to repair skin tissues and control inflammation. Fish, in particular, is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Seeds and nuts are also acne fighters. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, both of which help to maintain skin health. Remember, a balanced diet is crucial. No single food will clear your skin overnight, but a consistent diet packed with these skin-friendly foods can certainly make a difference. Also, keep in mind that everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a dietitian or a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. So, incorporating these foods into your diet could help to improve your skin health and reduce acne. But there's more to consider than just the foods we eat. What about the way we eat? Yes, the quality of our food matters, but so does the consistency of our meals. Maintaining a balanced diet is not just about what you eat, but also about when and how you eat. It's essential not to skip meals. When we skip meals, our blood sugar levels can drop, causing our bodies to release stress hormones. These hormones can increase oil production in the skin, leading to more acne. So, try to consume your meals at regular intervals. This helps keep your blood sugar levels stable and reduces the likelihood of breakouts. Now, let's talk about hydration. Hydration is a key player in skin health, yet it's often overlooked. Water helps to flush out toxins from our bodies, including those that can contribute to acne. It also keeps our skin cells hydrated and plump, which can reduce the appearance of acne and other skin blemishes. If you're not a big fan of plain water, there are plenty of other hydrating options. Herbal teas, like green or chamomile, are excellent choices. They're not only hydrating but also contain antioxidants that can support skin health. Fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as cucumbers, celery, and watermelon, can also help keep you hydrated. It's also worth noting that while hydration is crucial, overhydration can be just as harmful. Consuming too much water can lead to water toxicity, which can be dangerous. A general guideline is to aim for 8 glasses of water a day, but this can vary based on individual needs. In conclusion, a clear skin diet isn't just about the foods you should and shouldn't eat. It's also about maintaining a balanced meal schedule and staying properly hydrated. These aspects of your diet can have a significant impact on your skin's health and appearance. So, the way we eat and how much we hydrate can also play a crucial role in maintaining clear skin. So, what have we learned about the relationship between diet and acne? We've delved into some fascinating research today, exploring the intriguing link between what we eat and the health of our skin. It's clear that while diet isn't the sole determinant of acne, it certainly plays a significant role in its development and progression. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane and revisit the key points we discussed. We started off by examining the diet-acne connection, understanding that food can either be your skin's friend or foe. While some foods can trigger inflammation and hormonal imbalances, contributing to acne, others can help nourish and protect your skin. Then, we looked at the foods that are best avoided for clearer skin. High glycemic index foods like white bread, rice, and sugary treats can spike your blood sugar levels, potentially leading to more oil production and acne. Dairy products, particularly non-fermented ones, have also been associated with acne due to their potential to cause inflammation and hormonal fluctuations. And let's not forget about fast food, which can increase your intake of unhealthy fats and sugars, potentially exacerbating acne. But it's not all doom and gloom. We also discussed the foods that you might want to embrace for clearer skin. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fish and walnuts, and foods high in antioxidants like colorful fruits and vegetables, can help reduce inflammation and promote healthier skin. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains and legumes, can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, potentially reducing acne outbreaks. Of course, we also touched on other dietary considerations. We discussed the importance of maintaining a balanced diet, ensuring you get a good mix of all the essential nutrients. We emphasized the role of hydration, not only for overall health but also for maintaining skin health. Plus, we looked at the potential benefits of probiotics for gut health, which can, in turn, impact skin health. So, there you have it. A brief journey through the world of diet and acne. So remember, while diet isn't the only factor in acne, it's one piece of the puzzle that we have control over. By making mindful dietary choices, we can potentially improve our skin health. Hope you found the video informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more.